Hi, I'm Lon Lamb, and today we're going to make some amazing caramelized onions, and we're going to make them fast. Let's start with 3 pounds of onions. First, trim off the root. Next, cut it in half. Now that it's flat side down, I'm going to do a radial cut. You can see that I'm slicing from pole to pole and creating 1/4 inch thick wedges, rotating the knife as I go. Let's get these onions into a 12-inch nonstick skillet. As these onions cook, they're going to squeeze out juices. Those juices are going to brown, and that's what's going to give our onions that characteristic flavor. Just a couple more ingredients to go. I've got 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Last up, 3/4 of a cup of water. That water is going to turn to steam, and it's going to heat all of the onions really, really fast. They're going to release those important juices for good caramelized flavor. I'm going to crank the heat up to high and bring the water to a boil. As soon as you see a lot of steam billowing up through the onions, you're there. Now let's cover it, and we're going to cook until most of this water is evaporated. That's going to take about 10 minutes. So it's been about 10 minutes. Let's get this lid off. And as you can see, the onions have already collapsed by quite a bit. And I'm going to press the onions into the sides and the bottom of this skillet. I'm going to let this sit without touching it for 30 seconds. Stir them, scrape up any fond, and then press them back into the bottom and sides of the skillet. Do this every 30 seconds until the onions are well browned, soft, and slightly sticky. It's going to take about 15-20 minutes. Meanwhile, stir together 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of water in a small bowl. Now add the water and baking soda mixture to the skillet, and we're just going to stir it in and wait for that water to evaporate. The baking soda is the other trick we're using. In high pH environments, the onions will brown more readily. After that baking soda mixture evaporates, we're done. It's been 30 minutes, and look at these onions. They look fantastic, and they taste even better. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you thought of this how-to in the comments. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and hit that subscribe button below.